Man, what's up with y'all? I'm back again with another video, and this video is gonna be another quick video for real. I just want to bless y'all with another template, and this is a beat template, FL Studio template. This is a template I've been using for the last 2 years for real. Helps me make beats less than 10 minutes, 10, 20, 15 minutes for real. Like, everything's already loaded, everything's already routed. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show y'all straight to it. Right when you open up the template, this is what you're gonna see. And don't mind if you don't have these sounds, you can just replace them with your own sounds, own hi-hat, your own clap, your own open hi-hat, your own snare, and your own 808. So everything's already preloaded. If you want to add more stuff to it, you can. So you can just come off the top, start making a beat for real. Hold up. Simple. I'll follow y'all. Simple like that. All right, but this is where the heavy lifting is done, right here in the mixing track. So right off the bat, I got four melody tracks right here, and these all, you can put different VSTs in it, different one shots connected to it, and each of these tracks, melody tracks, has a EQ already on it, because most of the time we want to take out some of the low end so the 808 can really, the 808 or bass can really like come through for it. So that's why I got a EQ on most of them for real, except for the fourth one. Oh, I got one on the fourth one too, so that's good. And all these four are connected to this melody bus right here. And on this melody bus, I got a stereo enhancer, which kind of makes the beat more wide. And the rest of these four, so tracks 5 through 12, are like my drum, perk, hi-hat tracks for real. And that's all coming to the drum bus right here. And you can do extra processing on the entire drum bus. You can add your compression, you know, add your EQ if you want to EQ the drums as a one for real. And finally, for the master track, I kept it simple. I know this says waves shell, but it's really fresh air. I don't know why I keep saying that. Fresh air, this helps to bring the track to life a little more. I use it for my vocals, for mixing and all that. So that's there, and of course it wouldn't be a FL beat without the soft clipper for real. Soft clipper to make sure everything sits under 0 dB for real. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That is pretty much it, man. I'm gonna be giving this away for free for real. So link will be in the description, and I'll see you on the next video.